Good afternoon. I'm trying to get some more videos out to you guys. Been a little bit crazy. Hopefully this will be easier for you guys to follow along if you need some help with what we're doing. If I assign you something in classroom, like these reading review sheets, and the format is not working very well for you, feel free to modify it however you need or print it off to get it done. And then when you upload, or you can email me a picture of your assignment when it's finished, just as long as I have some way to see that you're getting the work done and turned in. If you need some help doing that, just let me know. I'll do my best to make sure that you guys get that information to you. This is our agenda for today. We had a video that we watched just for a little introduction to it, our maps and maps projections. And I'll put that in the classroom for you as well. And then we used a website to show how different countries' size and shape changes based off of different projections. So I'll include that too. Our goal for today was to really look at a few of the different regions of the world and then identify some patterns within them. I'll include the assignment that we did today as well as the reading. I think some of you have a textbook to use. I'm working on getting some digital versions of those, so I'm hopeful that'll be coming in the next little while. So if you continue to be out for a little bit, I can get those to you. But for now, just upload the pages that we read as a PDF, and then you can read them on here. And then we completed the front side. So I'll let you know what questions we completed. It was basically section 1.3 and 2.1, and that will be listed in your reading. So we read together pages 16 and 17, and then 18 and 19, and we completed the review questions for those and discussed them in class. So I'll include that assignment for you guys, and you should be all brought up to speed as far as what we're doing. Tomorrow, class may look a little bit different. I'm thinking I'll take a little break from our textbook here for a little bit and spend some Fridays covering or getting ready to discuss the presidential and other elections that will be taking place in November. So just walking us through different political parties and candidates and platforms and what those things mean and look like for us. So I hope you're doing well. Looking forward to see some of you in a little bit, starting next week. But otherwise, if you do have any questions, make sure that you reach out and let me know.